Hi everyone, I'm Chef Christopher with Brevard County 4-H, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious, simple, and healthy breakfast burrito. To do so, you are going to need a couple spices, some of which can include salt and pepper. You're going to need salsa, olive oil, eggs, cheese, and some tortilla shells. Before you begin cooking, it's always important to wash your hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds. That's step 1. Now that I've already done that, we can move on to step 2, which is making our scrambled eggs. To do so, you're going to take one egg, hit the shell on the edge of the bowl, and put your fingers on the inside and pull out. You're going to want to drip all the egg whites out. You're going to want to do that with the second egg. Push your fingers in, drop the egg in the bowl, and throw it in the trash can. Now, you need to wash your hands. Now that your hands are washed, you can add some salt and some pepper, and if you would like to, any other seasonings. Now you're going to want to take a fork or a whisk and break open the egg yolks so that it looks like the eggs are going into the egg whites, which is the clear part. Now you're going to want to whisk that up and stir it until it looks like a creamy yellow. So I think we're there. Now we're going to want to put our fork to the side, and we're ready to put them in the pan. To cook your eggs, you are going to turn your burner to medium low. Then you are going to take some oil and place a little bit of oil, enough to make a nice even coat throughout your pan, on the pan. You're going to swirl it around so that you can get a nice even coat of oil throughout the pan. Now that our pan is heated up, it's time to add the eggs. So we're going to grab our bowl of scrambled eggs and pour them slowly into the pan. We need to make sure that we do not have splatter because that could burn you. You're going to make sure all the egg is out. Now you need to make sure that your egg is cooked properly. So you're going to let it sit for about 1 minute, and then after that minute you're going to start stirring continuously and slowly, just like this. Now we're ready to add cheese to the eggs. You'll know that it's ready when the eggs still look a little bit wet. So we're going to take how much ever cheese you want, whatever kind of cheese you want. We are using shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and you can add how much you want based on how many eggs you have. Now that our cheese is in, we can wait about 1 minute, but we need to stir, and then our eggs will be ready to place in our burrito. So now we gotta wait 1 minute. Now that the eggs are done, we can turn off the burner and bring the eggs over to our burrito. You're gonna want a little cooking mat or something that is heat safe. Now you're going to want to take your eggs and get them on the spatula and place them in the middle of your burrito. Now that all of our eggs are in the middle of the burrito, we're going to want all eggs. We can go place this back over on the stove. And now we need to make sure that our burrito is in a nice straight line, so that way it can fold nice and easily. So we're going to make it in a rectangle, nice and straight, and there we go. So that's what your egg should look like when you put it into your shell. Now that we have added our egg to our burrito, why don't we take a time to talk about My Plate. My Plate recommends having at least 3 of these things on this poster: dairy, protein, fruits, vegetables, and grains. The tortilla shell serves as our grains. The eggs serve as our protein, and the salsa serves as our vegetable. And the cheese serves as our dairy. So we are going to add salsa to our burrito. You can also add other things like meats and other kinds of meats such as ham, salami, bacon, sausage, whatever you would like. And you can even add other vegetables like bell peppers and jalapenos and any other peppers such like that. Alright, now that we have added our salsa and egg to the burrito, we can fold the burrito. To start, we are going to want to take the smaller ends between the egg and the edge of the burrito and fold them in on top of the egg. So we're going to go like that and that. And you can give it a little pat down so that it stays. Now, we're going to want to fold this burrito just like this and roll it away from you until it is in a complete circle. And now you have your burrito. You now have the option to toast your burrito or not. To toast it, you can take the burrito and place it in the pan with this side and all the sides down on the pan just for about 30 seconds. It will make it a little crunchier and it will not be as loose so that it will stay like this instead of going like this. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make a breakfast burrito. Tell us in the comments what you would like us to make next or what you've been making at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.